Okay, let's go back to this box what we got from Amazon the other day. So I'll open it up again. We're going to have a look inside once more just to see what we do have in here. I already took that out of the bag, the Zomake Backpack. We had that stuff too. Remember this here? The video and the lightning to SD card reader for the iPad and iPhone. Let's get rid of this box and have a look at this backpack. This thing is really neat. Just figure out how it opens. Okay, so it all folds up into this little pouch, this little bag, and you open it up. Let's have a look at it there. Just unrolls. I'm going to try to remember how it unfolded so I can get it back together again when that time comes. I never remember that stuff. So, here we go. Let's have a look at it. It's going to be, really isn't that big, I guess, but you know what, there's no weight to this thing. There's our straps, our buckles, our zippers. How does it work? Now, there we go. There's our main zippers right there. I can't do this. This is hilarious. Anyway, it's pretty simple for a person who can see what they're doing. A person like me who can't see nothing. Well, hey, there we go. There's the inside. At the bottom, supposed to be, yeah, it is double line like they said. Double line pocket inside. You can get your laptop in. We brought a laptop down with us, and we can put a laptop in there. And but iPad. Let's see. Got an iPad right here. It's gonna fit in there nicely. You know what? We'll put a few things in here. We'll see how this fills out. Okay. Maybe we'll try. What do we got? A pair of socks. I was going to need a pair of socks when you're out somewhere on a cruise or you're hiking or something, right?
That are green, so the green screen.
Green? I thought they were gray. Anyway, so the socks in. What do we got next? Jersey. A basketball jersey from that great team, the Raptors. And same colors are our bag. Red. You can get these bags in multiple different colors. It's really neat. Something that you can really find. Let's see, what have we got now?
Would have been funnier if you had a green bag for the green screen.
Green screen. Okay, we got a really heavy duty, thick, warm sweatshirt, hoodie thing here. Let's get that in there. And we're getting there, folks. Look at that. Look at that. We're getting there. Put the strings in. This good old towel. We don't need a towel on the beach, right? Or if it starts to get wet or something like that, you're going to need a towel. So we got one towel. These are like a bath towel. I don't have a beach towel here with us right now, but let's see the, what have we got here?
T-shirt.
A t-shirt. Look at that. Let's just take that t-shirt, just throw it in, okay? And we got room for one more towel. I think we do. We do. Let's have a look at this thing. How do we make another? We're getting there. That sweatshirt was, that hoodie was really.
I don't think another towel's gonna fit.
Come on, we'll get it in. These are pretty big towels. They're not just your little dinky little hand towel thingies. And where's the zipper? Okay. You know what? Let's take one towel out because that hoodie was really big. It's a double zipper. Kind of like those things, eh? Those double zippers. You get it from either side. Or you just can mess around with your partner's brain there and zip it up on one side and then you can see the other. Okay. Okay, there it is. We still have room in there. We could probably get that towel in there and pack it down. We still got a lot more room. We got the iPad in there too, right? Remember? And we've got a loop there for some reason. We got a zipper pocket here. And that's got a cover over top of it, which is neat. That's going to keep some of the rain out if you get caught in the rain. We've got another zipper up on top. Yeah, we're gonna get some drinks in here too. I got a zipper there. I wouldn't throw my wallet in. I wouldn't trust it behind me. I always like it in my front pocket. And that's got, that flips over too, eh? So that's gonna keep any moisture out of it. If you caught in a drizzle or something like that. And look at this. Half a liter bottle of water. We're going to put that in the side pocket there. And look at this, 750 milliliter bottle of soda. We're getting pretty much ready for the day, aren't we? Who's going to volunteer to carry it? We never even, remember we just took it right out. We never even adjusted the straps or anything yet. I'm the guy who's never used a backpack in my entire life. But I got talked into, getting this thing because it's going to be handy for traveling instead of walking around with one of these things in one hand and a bag in the other hand. This is probably going to be a lot more convenient because you got a loop on top to carry it around with. You can get this thing too underneath your seat in the airplane. Remember, you got to follow their size restrictions and that. But that was another reason we picked this thing up too. And the price was really good. Okay, let's see what happens. Watch an old man put a backpack on. He's never done it before in his life. I think I got to adjust the straps. Anyway, we're getting the idea.
Time to go back to school.
Go back to school. Is this thing going to fit me, the fat man here in the backpack? Anyway, I don't know if our straps are adjusted out or not. Are they or not? I don't know. We're going to have to look at it. And if it don't fit me, I always pick up some skinny little person to take along with me, right? Yeah, they adjust out. There's this chest strap idea here. Go across, buckle up in front of you to keep it from falling off. Neat idea. That's adjustable too. And these here, yeah, we can adjust these out, stretch them out a little bit longer. I'm going to get across my muscular build here. Anyway, they're here to find. That's going to be a neat little investment. Well, very worthwhile. I picked the red so that I'm easier to find. They have a yellow one too, but I thought, well, that'd be a little too outstanding. But yeah, a whole slew of different colors you can choose from. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Have a look at it. Look at Amazon. You can pick this up and you get this thing delivered to you in a couple of days. Not a problem. Alrighty, thanks for watching. And remember, if you like it, thumbs up it. And if you don't, well, I don't want to hear from you. Anyway, take care. Thanks for watching.